My people, it's still your girl, the beauty loveth. But have you ever felt struck on your videos? Like you post your videos and you are not getting enough views, you've been having low views, you have tried your possible best and you are not seeing any positive outcome. In today's video, I will just give you a detailed screen recording setups that you need to apply on your channel. And once you turn these settings on, definitely you will see a positive result on your channel. Actually, I found that a few days ago that I'm a victim of these particular settings. You understand, anything that I came across on this YouTube, I have to make a possible research before I will dish it out here for you, all my subscribers and my viewers. So if you are new on this my YouTube journey, or you just pop up and you came across this my video, kindly subscribe, hit that subscription button and listen attentively. Stay from the beginning of this my video to the very end, and you find out the particular settings you need to apply. When I found out about these settings, I know that some people have no idea of these particular settings, and once you followed it up on your YouTube dashboard, definitely on your YouTube studio dashboard, and you follow these settings I'm about to show you, definitely your views will accumulate. You will start having a good views, a high views from your audience in order for your videos to go viral. Take these particular settings very important and you see the changes on your video. Stay tuned with me as I'm going to share my screen recording of the settings that you need to apply in order for you to have YouTube to recommend your videos with these particular settings. Let's keep So my people, I will start by opening my YouTube. This is the basic settings that I'm about to show you. You will apply on your own YouTube so that you get the maximum recommendations needed from your channel, so that YouTube will absolutely recommend your channel. Right? Okay, guys, this is my own YouTube, and here, this is my profile. I will quietly go ahead and view my channel. From there, we kick off with these settings. And many people are yet to understand or come across these personal settings. So YouTube channel, my video is playing over here. I have to stop it. This is not what we are here for. So guys, first of all, you have to make use of your YouTube studio. This is my YouTube studio. As you can see, this is my dashboard, my YouTube studio. Yes, don't make use of ordinary YouTube app from your phone. No, for this particular settings, for you to apply it on your own channel, you have to make use of YouTube Studio dashboard. So with this example I'm showing you, that's why I have to use screen recording for you guys to understand better. Okay, so this is my YouTube dashboard. Yes, and we have to start applying the settings with customizing the channel, which is, this is it here, customize channel. So I will click on customize channel, and this is where the first step starts in order to apply this particular setting to activate your own YouTube channel. This is the basic settings you need. Some people that have discovered this secret are yet to share it out and dish it out for upcoming small creators to apply it. Well, just like I promise you guys, I will always deliver. I will always make sure that I give you guys the basic updates for YouTube tutorials. Just make sure you follow my channel, you subscribe my channel, you comment, share, and always put your notification bell on. But do not endeavor to subscribe to my channel so that you get all the necessary updates you need. So once you open your YouTube studio, as I have showed you, you start from customization. Customize your channel. You click on it. This will be displayed, and this is where the settings is. Then you click on home tab. Leave anything that has to do with banner image, profile name, All these ones are just the basic settings that you need when you are creating your channel. You have to add links, your channel name, your channel handle, description of your channel. This is when you want to open. I believe most of you must have done that on your channel. But the basic settings that you needed for your channel is what I'm showing you now. So which is home tab. This is where the work starts. As you can see, my own settings is already applied. Yes, my own settings is already applied. Then you that is yet to apply your own settings, just follow my procedures, follow the steps of how I did this particular settings. So the next, once you click on this home tab, once you have clicked on this home tab, this will be displayed. As you can see, these are my videos, both the previous ones I've uploaded and the ones that on my channel, the videos I've created so far, both short and long form videos. And these settings we are applying, I'm about to show you, is nothing but for YouTube to use your videos, your high profile videos. Like, what I mean by high profile videos is your videos that you know that generate more views, that have high views on them. Use them for this so that YouTube will use them to recommend your videos for returning viewers and viewers. You understand? You have to make use of your videos that have high views on them. Then you just come under the home tab, you click on more settings. So this is it. This is the particular settings that I'm talking about. All right. So with these settings now, you can see that my own is already activated. My buttons are on. So if you click on more settings and your own displayed like this, yes. If your own is not yet on, make sure you turn all of them on. Make sure you turn every settings that is displayed here on. From here, once you put them on, that's how YouTube will start recommending your videos for the larger audience, for people on YouTube platform. This is, once you turn these three settings on, this is where the whole work lies, the secret lies. Once you turn these three settings on, both, as you can see, videos, short videos, live streams. But if you are yet to have live streams on your channel, because for you to go live on YouTube, you have to make sure you have already accumulated your 50 subscribers before you be able to go live. Yes, so work on it. Then make sure that these three settings they are on, you put them on. As you can see, you click on all content recommended from YouTube. YouTube will always update and recommend any fresh content that you upload on your channel. YouTube will use it to recommend for your audience, and make sure you click done. Click on all content, and YouTube will themselves always recommend your content you post to your larger audience for people to subscribe, view, or watch. You get? Just make sure you click on done. Once you click that first setting is done, then the last one among the list settings that you have to do is add section. This is where you have to choose the particular video that you want YouTube to recommend for you. That add section, as you can see, you saw spotlight for returning subscribers. Mine is not coming up because I've already applied the settings on my channel. I've already applied the settings. But for you that is yet to apply the settings, once you click on add section, you will see this channel trailer and spotlight for returning subscribers. First, click on spotlight for returning subscribers. Then choose any of your videos. Once you click on it, you will now come and choose any of your videos that you want YouTube to recommend for you. But make sure that you choose your high profile videos. Make sure you choose your videos that have high profile videos, like the ones that have already accumulated enough views. Choose them, either your shorts or your long form videos. Anyone. Once you choose them, as you can see, mine is already showing. Once you choose them, choose anyone, either one or two. But make sure, like I said earlier, make sure you choose the ones that have enough views so that YouTube will use them and use those videos and recommend for your subscribers and other larger audience. With that, you have already activated your channel and YouTube will keep on recommending your videos. Make sure you follow these my steps, these my tricks, these my tips for more settings. So this is the particular setting that I'm talking about. And make sure you always click on publish. Once you are done, you see publish. Make sure you always click on publish and that's it. The setting is already activated. You are done. Please make sure you apply these settings on your channel and with that, you have already activated your channel. And thank you guys so much. And always anticipate more of my videos. Make sure you apply these particular settings on your channel. Thank you guys so much. Thank you so much guys for staying tuned with me, for tuning with me in this my particular video. Make sure you apply these particular settings that I've showed you with my screen recording and trust me, you activate your channel. Make sure you activate your channel. And you guys are my real odogus, my real MVPs, including my subscribers. You guys are the real odogus. Make sure if you are a new subscriber or if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please can you do me that favor? You know the drill. Hit that subscription button, subscribe, put that notification bell on, and always anticipate my videos guys. So thank you so much and see you guys in my next video.